Hi Year 8, these are the solutions to the quiz we did in class today. So first question, 3 minus 5. So I'm going to do this by starting on the number line at number 3 and moving to the left, minusing 5 spaces. And I end up with -2. You can always use a number line. Okay, question 2. Now this is a problem because we've got a plus and a minus next to each other. So we circle the plus and the minus, and we need to remember our rules. A plus and a minus together changes to a minus. A minus and a minus together changes to a plus. Okay, so we've got a plus and a minus together. We're going to change that to a minus. And so we have 6 minus 7. Coming back to our number line, starting at 6 and going 7 spaces, we end up with -1. Whoops. Erase that. -1. Excellent. Okay, question 3. We've got 4 minus -1. So we have the same problem. 2 signs next to each other. So we'll circle them and have a look at our rules. 2 negatives next to each other make a plus. So that becomes 4 plus 1, which equals 5. Now question 4 is a little bit tricky. We've got a -2 out the front, and that stays by itself because it's not next to anything. So the negative and the positive in front of the 8 need to change. And that makes it -2 minus 8 on the number line is going to give us -10. So that's done with adding and subtracting. Now let's do multiplying and dividing. We've got 4 times 3 and they're both negative numbers. So let's remind ourselves of the rules. 2 positives make a positive. 2 negatives make a positive. And a positive and a negative make a negative. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12, and we've got 2 signs that are the same, and the same signs give us a positive. (20) divided by 5, and the 20s are positive. If there's no sign there, then we just write a positive. So 20 divided by -5 gives us -4. And we're done. If you're still not sure about some of the questions, that's completely fine. When I'm back at school, we'll do some more revision and I'll help you out with some of the questions.